all the brothers that like the front they ride. Check it out. You know it's funky, 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 cause you heard it from hearsay. A jam that you love that don't be getting no airplay. Strictly for frontin' when you're riding around. 12 o'clock at night with your windows down. Headlights blinking cause your battery's drained. Armor roll on your tires and a big gold chain. Parking outside all the hip-hop spots. Push the EQ and play connect the dots. Leaning to the side, people everywhere. The trunk full of amps, ain't no room for a spare. Big beats bumping with the bass in back. All the sophisticated suckers catch a heart attack. Cause they don't understand why I act this way. Pumping up the funky beat until the break of day. It's because I want attention when I'm riding by. And the girls be on my jock cause my system's fly. Cars ride by with the booming system. Cars ride by with the booming system. Just front. Cars ride by with the booming system. Cars ride by with the booming system. Girlies wanna ride with a brother like me, cause they be hear me getting funky frequently. They tell me don't drink and drive, I say what is this? Pass the Heineken and mind your business. Roll up a fat one and pass it around. Laid back, hypnotized by the funky sound. People in the street see me bobbing my head while I'm checking out the rapper and the rhyme that he said. I'm frontin', and I don't care if you know. The backseat of my car's like a disco show. You would think I was a good friend of Al Capone. Crazy air freshener, who needs cologne? Bottom to the bottom, to the top, to the top. Cruise. It's 3 o'clock, the girlies, they smile. They see me coming, I'm steady humming. I got the funky drummer drumming. My trunk be shaking, vibrating and rattling. Pumping so loud, all the shorties be babbling. A right-hand man's here without the swing. Every chance I get, I'm showing off my rings. I can keep it up until the break of dawn. Cause I'm frontin' in my ride and my word is born. Front, you know what I mean? Sunroof open, so I can
front end. Only thing I ain't did to this car is I ain't never did no body work with paint or no interior. Everything on this car is went into original. I got paperwork on this car. This car, yeah. You know what? Hey man, you gotta get this real, man. Make sure you get this front end, man. Cause hey, you see her? She running from that 425, man. She doing this on me. She trying to get away from him, man. Yeah, Mike G, Milwaukee Finest, y'all. Come out at your boy, man.
22, Mercedes Benz, GLE 53, 26-inch Forgiatos. I just brought one of the toys out. I ain't want to fuck them up this week.
Yeah. How many toys you got, Sean?
Oh, shit. I got 7 total.
7? And they all black, baby.
All black, all Forgiatos. Yeah, fucking around. Yeah.
Don't forget, this got turbo and it's an AMG. He ain't playing with y'all. Owner Mr. B's, where Richie was at?
Tell y'all something. I'm waiting on him to pull out the old money table.
Okay.
Go to that table.
Okay.
Ain't nothing old but some good.
All right. All right.
Mr. B's parking lot, pull on up on us. It's a car show. Mr. B's parking lots.
Car outstanding, old school car and they painted with that candy.
little float caps. None too major, some little light. I go get the groceries in, the wood in. So I gotta go do something for the crib, but that shit going in here if I'm in this car.
Custom world paint, 218, so you get off a little bit. Sexy little joint, for sure.
You got the weirdo beast in the trunk.
This is 1970, this is 1971 right here. This got the muscle in it. This, this really just a grocery getter. That's my wife in the Now we get about 1,000 donuts out here already. That's the reason why he a little dirty. Excuse the dirt, but he a race car. He really ain't meant to look too pretty. So that's what it is. Though we gonna keep riding this shit.
All right, one is a drop, one is a hard top. Like you know what I'm saying?
Now my candy, it's so fresh, so clean. I break them boys off when I pull up on the scene in my candy. With 10 coats sprayed tight, and that north side raw blue is setting off the white on my candy. Show length the average paint. You go to Ike trying to buy it, he gon' tell you can't have my candy. It's like the one of a kind, and you might have a painted slab, but it ain't pretty as mine, cause my candy worth more than money could buy. Brought it to Funk Masterplex and seen a grown man cry for my candy. Sitting on nothing but glass, stopping traffic on the freeway when I fly past, and my candy got no competition on the street. You can win the Dub Car Show and still can't compete with my candy, cause it's the sweetest on the block, and I'm trill working the wheel. That's why they all jocking my candy.
Breaking boys in the air just to slam so tight. Breaking boys on the air cause the slam so tight.
Now my candy is sitting tall on them poles. It's like an alarm clock waking up all the hoes. My candy is wetter than high tide, and it's looking like I just had a blizzard inside of my candy. Got more wood in it than a forest. One look will get you hooked like a motherfucking chorus. My candy drips an unerasable stain. It's real magic, not like that motherfucker David Blaine. My candy, it got the woman on the front and a PhD in showing niggas how to stunt. My candy, it got the fifth up on the back, and it'll swing through your hood like it don't know how to act. My candy, the eighth wonder of the world, like floating downstream when you're staring at the swirls. My candy, riding real trio, staying true, and it's a legend in H-Town like DJ Screw. My candy.
It's my candy, it's so sweet.
Alright, check this stuff out. It's a 71 Grand Deal. We don't know what order it is. Nice, big baby. Yeah, this is nice. Got the Rucciano on it? Okay. Alright, yeah, big baby.
Third annual Cream City Car Show. The cars are out. We're at Mr. B's parking lot. Pull up on us. We hit a 6. It's going down in a major way, baby. So many cars, bikes, trucks. We got it all. Cream City Car Show and day party. Mr. B's. Woo.
Yeah, say, man, you see what's the back of that shit say, man. Yeah, please believe it. It is the season. You hear me? No loitering or no prowling. Killing the park.
Man, I used to be broke. Man, I used to be sleeping on the floor. Man, I
Remember back in the day, man, we were little, man, we were broke, man. We get money now, shawty. Let's go.
everywhere I go. Girls take photos. See the sun. Keep it on the back and feel great. I wear a bobo. Get kicks before they hit your stove. Cause you dumb. Cause you dodo. Tell your girl to come. Y'all can turn it to some. Then you add me and we can turn it to a porno. And when we all done, we can be
Cream City Car Show. He's one of our guest celebrity judges here.
I've been blessed to be a judge. You know what I'm saying? So I'm walking around with the chief judge. You know what I'm saying? And it's multiple person picking through different cars and trucks. Yeah, we got a lot of trucks over there, so we at work. Let's go.
Used to be broke. Man, I used to be sleeping on the floor. Man, I'm getting paid. Now I'm 20, so much Chevrolet. Man, I'm good, I stay. Everything I ride is so fly.
Bro, this real pain or this a rap? It's real pain. It's a rap.
I just really just picked up myself.
It's hard. It's the fiberglass doors, fiberglass front end. He want that big, he want that Don Zilla smoke.
What they like do,
He's not playing around.
I'ma shine till I die, nigga.
Look at the lips.
Everybody know me.
My man lips. Stupid.
Damn.
From his Dayton's in his hand, keys in his hand, reason again to let you know he's the man. Back when we rocked the leases, he had dreams of caprices. Drove by the teachers, even more by police. How he get the cash today? His father passed away, left him with a little something. 16, he was stunting. I'll be sure with the hair all wavy. Hit Lakeshore, girls go all crazy. Hit the freeway, go at least about 80. Want so much that summer,
My baby has a heartbeat. Period. That's my mama name. Y'all know what the fuck going on.
That went good. Hey man, another one, man. Another hit. That was another good one. Hey, I like this one. This was a bigger one. This was a bigger one. This was much bigger, man. I seen somebody take their whole car apart and put it back together. Did y'all get that? We got that. We definitely got that.
Definitely got that. God. Definitely got that. Woo! This is our 2024 City. Third annual car show. See y'all next year. Bigger, better.
Big Shug. It's another one, man. Shout out to Mr. B's Lounge, man.
Overall, it's this red colors that took all the stuff off of the car. He took everything off the car, then put it back on, then turned up,